Hello and welcome to another shooting video. Today we're heading up to the border of Cambridgeshire and Lincolnshire for a 100 bird driven pheasant day. It's a relatively new commercial shoot. It was to have its first season last year, but due to the COVID problems and whatever, this is going to be the first full season. This is our first day here. We've got a team of 10 guns and we're certainly looking forward to a cracking day. Hello, I'm Tony from Fenland Productions. I've been game shooting for nearly half a century and there has been a change in the way the general public perceives field sports. A large number of the shooting fraternity believe wildfowling, game shooting and other field sports will be banned within the next 50 years. This is why I've been capturing the events of a shoot day and creating short videos so there will be a lasting record for the future. So the guns just getting acquainted with themselves. If you shoot regularly you do come across several people you shot with before, so we did know quite a few people here today. So it's always nice to make a kill with your first shot of the day, which we did. The dog needed a little bit of instruction now. Took that partridge right in the centre of the pattern there. Nice shot. The shoot's very well equipped with trailers and a lot of staff, a lot of beaters, picker-uppers and whatever. Very professionally organised shoot. This is a second drive and for whatever reason I don't know, but I shot like a right idiot. I did have a couple of birds, but I don't know what went wrong really. I was just behind them all the time and there were some lovely high birds. Rather disappointed with that drive. Not with the presentation of the birds, but with my performance. But there again, they're there for another day. Did notice that I'm not swinging very well for whatever reason. Send the dog to pick up what I have shot. It wasn't a lot. I think I got through around 20-25 cartridges on that second drive for 2 birds. Pretty disappointing.
Well, where are we going next?
Fertiliser shed.
Oh, back home. Then it's drinking time.
Things must be going well. You got a smile from the keeper. So on to the third drive now. And these birds have all been pushed out of cover crops, which appears to be very well, very thickly sown, so they do hold the birds nicely. There's no shortage of birds and some high birds, considering there wasn't a great deal of wind, so whatever sort of shooting you'd get on a windy day would be phenomenal, I'd imagine. That was in the centre of the pattern, that one. That's no shot. Got an eye on a different bird to what I wanted to go for, so I've had to turn around. Just nice to let them have a few retrieves, but nothing very testing, are they, because the crops aren't very high. The mobile game cart. This is unusual for a shoot. We actually went back to the shoot lodge for Levenses. So we had some nice warm soup, sausage rolls and a beer. Then we're back out on parade for the next drive.
Hey, Ben!
I didn't get a great deal of shooting here. I was slightly upwind, but I did have one or two nice birds here. If you listen to Nathan, I think I've been poaching his birds as well. He wasn't terribly happy.
I'll slow that off for you.
It's a bit better shot.
You want a shot that one?
See, really I should have left that for Nathan. That was right down his throat, but I'm sure he'll get his own back in the near future.
They were following this dike back to wood, because Chris had a belly full.
Oh yeah.
I mean, he did him justice as well. You know what I mean?
Oh, no,
He did him.
Riding round in comfort again. They all look a little sombre there, for whatever reason. You see the drive start before I got my camera set up here. See the birds are flying over, and I'm still messing about with the camera. It's an unusual bird. Had been hit and he went into helicopter mode. You see it slowly floating down. But I didn't need to give it another barrel to finish it off. This was a nice shot. It flew along the line of guns and there was several shots at it, and it was nice I was able to knock it down. That was a nice shot as well. The dog's quite steady there. She had chased off one or two times. So after we'll be back to the shoot lodge for an evening meal, which was very well presented. There's the bag for the day.
You got enough?